Hello everybody, this is out of the box unboxing, and in today's episode I'm going to review and test cordless soldering iron, which is quite interesting in my opinion, because it's cordless. There are such devices on the market, but it's powered by simple AA batteries. As you may see, it has 4.5 volts, which is total amount of the three batteries, but 6 watts and type AA. What feature this device, this cordless soldering iron has? Producer Parkside claims the temperature is up to approximately 450 degrees of Celsius. I don't have any measurement device, so I cannot check it. I will use solder, which is also included to the packaging, just to check if it is possible to melt it. I assuming it is, because it would be a stupidity to sell something which is not working, even with included solder. What is there also some feature? Protective cap. It's made out of plastic, so if you try to put back this solder in the improper way, sooner or later I think you will smell some melted plastic. Batteries are included, and actually it's good to know it's not some cheap Chinese producer. Let me try it to open it. Actually, you've got some well-known producer which is Panasonic. Those are industrial batteries, but I think the best choice is to change them for rechargeable AA batteries, because this device will suck electricity like hell. So let's test it. After removing the cap, you can, because it's actually also preventing preventing to switch it on. But actually I think the design was good, but then they have missed opportunity to do it quite well, because I can still move it without any problem. It should, in my opinion, also prevent to turn it on when it's inside, because you are turning on. Okay, this is an off mode, standby mode, working mode. So this cap should prevent for such unintended usage, but it's not doing the job. So sooner or later I think you will throw it away and use it without it. Also, it's included to the package some steel support, just to not burn yourself or something nearby, but actually you can put it on the table and it will not get in contact with any other material. So I will take small portion of the solder and wait if it's going to melt it. This light is also a nice feature, because and actually it's done. I'm pretty surprised. It's went hot quite fast, so I think it's efficient. It's really getting hot and reaching the working temperature surprisingly fast, so thumbs up for that. I'm not so sure about practical usage of this. It's light, for sure. It's light. I will double check the weight, but I think it's something like 0.2, 0.3 kg, and it's very, very handy. This this maybe it's a little bit uncomfortable because to turn it on you need to sacrifice your grip. You can do it in the different style, but I would prefer to have it done permanently, just to focus on soldering instead of plugging in or turning on and soldering. It would be, I think, more convenient. This solder which is included is only 10 grams, so it will not last for long, but nice that they are including this. And okay, it's still hot. I will not put it inside, but as you may see, you can put it away without using this support, steel support, because maybe it's not so flimsy, but sooner or later it will fall down. So I think nobody will use it in the daily usage. Okay, now it's not hot, it's warm. I can touch it, so it's getting cold. Let's say I think in 2 minutes it will be in ambient temperature. So okay, for quick repair I think it's okay. For any professional or semi-professional usage, no at all. Okay, so my recommendation is it's positive, please buy it, especially it's not so expensive. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned and see you next time. Bye.